Saturday, late April. Last time we filmed was April 8th. Great deal has happened since April 8th. So, this is a crowd. Carousel is open. Maruka's is open. Now they're getting ready to open up part of this boardwalk because it's finished, you know, more or less. They even put garbage cans up. The borough must have done that. And it's done all the way to the midway, so let's hope. And Beachcomber, you can walk out front and you can actually stand on the boardwalk now, as you can see. Bubbas has relocated from Carteret in the boardwalk to Porter in the boardwalk here. Bubba's hot dogs. There's Bubba himself right there. This is a little bit of cheating because this is the Earth Cam from Seaside Realty, but you can see the progress they're making on the south end. Here's Webster, between Webster and Sumner, and they seem to be, I watched them, they're off today, there's no workers on Sunday, but I watched them put this planking in, and they do, you know, a board a minute. It's amazing. So hopefully they'll have this all done by Memorial Day.